Hey guys, we're back. I've been dying to know who is going to win the Lamborghini Super, and I've also been wanting to know who's going to win the Bugatti. And then I've had a lot of messages about the two Christmas sets that we're going to give away. And I want you guys to look at something here. Look at this. 158 unique commenters. I want you to realize that for the Christmas set and for the Super and the Bugatti, you got a pretty good chance of winning these things compared to a lot of the random, pickers and the giveaways and the contests. And it costs you nothing. I think that's a pretty good reason to subscribe to our channel, because you can win stuff just by commenting and subscribing. So anyways, without further ado, we're going to do the Christmas set first, and we're giving two of those away. So let's figure out who's going to win those. So for the Christmas video, we had 158 unique commenters right here. We're gonna see who the first one is. And the first winner on the Christmas set is Brenda Lip. My grandson is a huge Hot Wheels fan. This would be awesome for him. Well, Brenda, guess what? He's going to get a Christmas set. Now, the next person that's going to get a Christmas set, I'm going to pick another winner here before we click on something else that we're not supposed to. Here we go. JM Watches. His comment was, I'm a big fan of the Streamliner. Well, we're going to send you one next week. You're going to win a whole set. Thank you for playing on the Christmas video. Basically, you had a 1 in 80, less than a 1 in 80 chance of winning just by commenting. That's pretty good. Okay, now we're going to go over to our Bugatti and our Lamborghini Super giveaway. So the way it's going to work on this for these two cars is I'm hoping that I can just pick two people and one of them picks one and one picks the other. But there's a chance that, people pick, or the random picker picks 3 Bugattis in a row, and I'm not going to give them the Lambo Super because they said Bugatti. So it's just going to be the luck of the draw right here. Okay, here we go. I can't wait to figure out who this is, because it's generated a lot of interest in John, and I have been curious who's going to win it. Okay, so whoever comments on whatever car is going to win the first one. Here we go. Leslie Vanderbach says, I would love to have the Lambo in my collection. Guess what, Leslie? There you go. You're going to have this sent to you. Just get a hold of us. Email us, please. That is amazing. That's a great win. I'm excited for you, Leslie. That's a really good win. And again, we had 276 unique commenters on this one. So you had about a 1 in 140 chance of winning one of the best cars of the year. Okay, so hopefully the next person picks a Bugatti. Let's see. Here we go. Who's the next one? Oh, sorry, MK2. We already just gave away the Super Treasure Hunt. I'm going to have to pick another winner. Come on, baby. Pick a Bugatti. Diecast NZ. I'm sorry, buddy. I just gave away the Lambo Super. Come on, Bugatti winner. Come on, Bugatti winner. Let's go. Sorry, Daniel. You didn't do the rules here. Here we go. Here we go. Fastest Classic says, the Chiron reminds me a lot of when I got the original Veyron casting as a kid. Absolutely adored that car back then, and I love this one even more now. They did such a good job of getting the casting right this time around. As such, I definitely hope to get one. Fastest Classic, you have won our last Bugatti giveaway. Thank you guys again for playing. Keep tuned. We're going to do some more giveaways. I love your feedback. I love your comments. We have some stuff brewing on the channel. Thank you guys again. Real quick, just to end this video, I want to show you guys what people won today because it's just super cool. Brenda Lip, she won a holiday set for her grandson. JM Watches, who loved the Streamliner, he won a holiday set too. Then Leslie won the Lambo Super. Unbelievable. And then Fastest Classic, who loves the Bugatti, won the Bugatti. So thank you guys again for playing. Thanks for tuning in. We got some stuff planned for you still, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you so much.